Ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, stuck in the endless research loop, trying to find the perfect suppliers for your online store? You've probably heard the buzzwords: dropshipping, product sourcing, low-risk business. But then you stumble upon these two names, Spocket and SaleHoo. And suddenly, it's not so simple anymore, is it? You're left wondering, which one is the right fit for me? That's the exact question we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, diving into the world of e-commerce without a solid foundation is like trying to build a house on sand. You need reliable suppliers, quality products, and a platform that simplifies the process. And that's where Spocket and SaleHoo claim to shine. We're going to break down these two heavyweights, compare their features, pricing, and overall value, and help you decide which one deserves a spot in your e-commerce toolkit. We'll explore their strengths, weaknesses, and, most importantly, how they can impact your bottom line. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish some context. Dropshipping has exploded in popularity, offering a low barrier entry into online retail. But with that growth comes a deluge of information, often conflicting and overwhelming. Finding trustworthy suppliers is crucial. You want to avoid long shipping times, poor product quality, and unreliable communication. Spocket and SaleHoo aim to streamline this process, but they approach it from slightly different angles. Spocket, in essence, is a platform designed to connect you with suppliers primarily in the US and Europe. This emphasis on local suppliers is a major selling point, promising faster shipping times and better product quality. SaleHoo, on the other hand, acts more like a directory, providing access to a vast network of suppliers from around the world, including manufacturers, wholesalers, and dropshippers. Think of it as a comprehensive database. So, let's start with the basics. Spocket's core function is to integrate directly with your online store, whether it's on Shopify, WooCommerce, or other popular platforms. This integration allows you to browse and import products directly into your store with just a few clicks. You can then manage your inventory and orders seamlessly through the Spocket dashboard. One of Spocket's standout features is its focus on pre-vetted suppliers. This means that Spocket has already done some of the legwork, ensuring that the suppliers on their platform meet certain quality standards. They also offer a sample ordering feature, allowing you to physically inspect products before adding them to your store. This is a crucial step in ensuring customer satisfaction. Now, let's talk about SaleHoo. SaleHoo's approach is a bit different. Instead of direct integration, they provide a searchable directory of over 8,000 suppliers. You can filter your search by product category, supplier type, and location. They also offer market research tools, which can help you identify trending products and profitable niches. SaleHoo's directory includes a wide range of suppliers, from large-scale manufacturers to small, niche wholesalers. This gives you access to a broader selection of products and potentially lower prices. However, it also means that you'll need to do more of your own due diligence. You'll need to contact suppliers directly, negotiate terms, and manage your own order fulfillment. Another key difference lies in their target audience. Spocket seems to cater more towards those who are new to dropshipping or who prioritize speed and simplicity. The platform's user-friendly interface and direct integration make it easy to get started. SaleHoo, on the other hand, appeals to a wider range of e-commerce entrepreneurs, including those who are looking for wholesale opportunities or who want access to a larger pool of suppliers. Let's break down the pricing. Spocket offers several subscription plans, ranging from a free plan with limited features to premium plans that offer access to more suppliers and advanced features. The pricing is generally based on the number of products you want to import and the level of support you need. SaleHoo, on the other hand, offers a one-time lifetime membership fee. This gives you unlimited access to their directory and market research tools. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of each platform. Spocket's pros: fast shipping times due to local suppliers. Pre-vetted suppliers, reducing the risk of scams. Direct integration with popular e-commerce platforms. User-friendly interface. Sample ordering feature. Spocket's cons: limited product selection compared to SaleHoo. Higher prices compared to some overseas suppliers. Monthly subscription fees. SaleHoo's pros: vast directory of suppliers. access to manufacturers, wholesalers, and dropshippers, market research tools, one-time lifetime membership fee, wider range of product selections. SaleHoo's cons: requires more manual work in contacting and managing suppliers. No direct integration with e-commerce platforms. Supplier vetting is less rigorous compared to Spocket. Shipping times can vary significantly. So, which one is right for you? The answer, as always, depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're new to dropshipping and prioritize speed, simplicity, and quality products from local suppliers, Spocket might be a good fit. The platform's user-friendly interface and direct integration can help you get your store up and running quickly. If you're looking for a wider range of suppliers, access to wholesale opportunities, and a lower upfront cost, SaleHoo might be a better option. The platform's comprehensive directory and market research tools can help you find profitable niches and build a successful e-commerce business. But you will have to put in more work and do more research. Think about your budget, your target market, and your level of experience. If you're on a tight budget and willing to put in the extra effort, SaleHoo's one-time fee might be appealing. If you're willing to pay a monthly fee for convenience and faster shipping, Spocket might be the better choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.